Hello, this is Dr. Martinez. I'm the Assistant Principal of Instruction at Shalom Peaks Middle School. And this video, I'm going to show you StudySync, our English Language Arts, English Language Development curriculum that's used at Shalom Peaks. So in order to access the website and be able to see what your child is doing, the first thing you want to do is go to our district website, which is kcusd.org. When you go on there, you can scroll down to the middle of the page and you'll see two links. You'll see Wonders and you'll see StudySync. This is where you want to click. On this next page, you'll see Wonders and StudySync again, along with links for each of the 3 elementary schools and of course Shalom Peaks Middle School. You want to click on Shalom Peaks. Now you'll see here the McGraw-Hill Education Connect Ed page. The username and password information has been provided to your child, and they use this pretty much every day. Therefore, they have the information, but if they don't provide it for you, you can always ask the school and we can provide it for you to see and to use. In this case, I already have my login information here, so you click Log In. From here, you'll see this page, which basically allows teachers to see what it is that they want to assign and start to assign. Okay, you will click this large StudySync logo. On this next page, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click the smaller StudySync logo. And then you will get to the StudySync home page. This is exactly what your child will see every time they log into StudySync. So when they get on, they'll be able to see their name and they'll be able to see assignments that they have completed, as well as those that they still have to do, and profile information if they wish. So I want to point your attention to these links up here at the top. The very first one is the name. If you go to profile, you'll be able to see your student's information. You'll see their name, a nickname that they've assigned, and down here is one of the really interesting features of StudySync. There's an app key. Well, what that means is that if you click here, you will be able to launch the StudySync app. They'll ask you questions about asking whether or not it's your first time using that particular device. You will use the key that was given to you in order to sign in. And once you have already done this, you can actually click on the name and you can use the 4-digit number that you have established in order to go into the account. In this case, you can see the same exact screen that was used earlier right here. But the very, very interesting part about this is that the app can actually be used offline. In other words, if the internet goes out or you have an issue with your internet, the students can still go on to see what is due to be able to complete their work. And once the internet kicks back on, all of their information gets saved onto the main site. So that's a very, very big benefit to this. So your assignments are here on the front page. When you open the page, you'll be right here. This basically tells you all of the assignments that are still due. The students will be able to see the due dates, whether or not it's past due. And basically when you click inside, you'll be able to see what it is a student has to get done. The binder feature will tell you exactly what the student has already completed. So instead of what still has to be done, this is what they have already done. And you can click in here and also see the information on that. You can also ask your child for more information. Lastly, the library allows you to see different texts and different books that students can access. It's not just about what they're doing in class. If they're interested in reading other books or pieces of other books, they can go into StudySync by category and they can browse different books so that they can read them. This allows students to basically go in and see what it is they want to read. They have different pieces here regarding an introduction. You can hear audio instead of watching the video. You can get the audio piece. And this is important so you can listen. The students can listen to audio. And many times you will see this button and you can listen to whatever it is that's on the screen. There's vocabulary, there's reading, okay? And again, here's the audio piece. Students will also annotate, which allows them to highlight pieces of the text and then they can go ahead and make comments on it as well. This is also available in many of the assignments in StudySync, so that students can listen to the assignments as they read, and that helps them make the connections to the English. If you click here to StudySync, it brings you right back to the beginning page where the students can see what it is that they still have to do. So that basically is how you log into StudySync and what it is that your child sees every single day when they log into StudySync. Again, if you want information about the login information, you can always contact the school. And once you get in here, you can ask your child to go through and show you all the features of the program. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact us, you can contact our district, and we hope that you enjoy StudySync. Thank you.